If you guys haven't been through cross lanes lately, I'm going to show you what traffic looks like. Now, I'm only going so far because I'm going to, I'm headed to Harbor Freight. But I'll let you see what they're doing. They're widening the roads down here. Traffic's actually not too terrible today. A lot of times when you get off the interstate, it's right there. You're already in traffic. So this is not terrible. If you haven't been here in a really long time, there's a cookout right there on the right. Tattoos and weed shops on the left. Church. Yeah, there's a church. CrossLanesBaptist.org. You can see right there all the construction going on there. I don't know exactly. I mean, I know they're widening the road, but I don't know if they're just putting a third lane in so there's a turn lane. I don't know exactly what they're doing. I don't live down here, so I haven't really looked. Right here on the left at this intersection is there's a Dunkin' Donuts in the Marathon gas station parking lot now. If I can get to this light before it turns red, we're turning down to go towards Harbor Freight. So yeah, if you see right there on the left, there's a Dunkin' Donuts in the Marathon now. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I just want to show you what traffic was like trying to get into cross lanes anymore.